welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, hello. For any returning viewers, welcome back. I am Sha, Sunshine Sha. I am getting ready to do a DIY turmeric hair removal mask. So I've seen some, or I actually researched a few YouTube videos on it, like 2 or 3, not that many, but I do follow this YouTuber named Victoria, and she actually uses this mask, and she's been using it for about 4 weeks, and it actually has been removing her hair. So I am really excited to go ahead and show you guys the process, and of course show you my results. So go ahead and stop what you're doing right now, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, and then let's go ahead and get in this video. Today's video will be using baking soda, rice flour, which helps aiding in the hair removal process, as well as turmeric powder, which also inhibits hair growth, and evaporated milk. So we'll be using 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Oh, and I did forget that we are using also 1 tablespoon of boiling water. And in this process, before we go into adding the water, we just want to make sure that the dry ingredients are mixed very well. So as you can see, the water is steamed, and we're going to go ahead and add in the boiling water, and then we're going to add in the milk. So right here is where I realized that I don't think the measurements for the wet ingredients was enough, because it made the mixture very crumbly, and it's supposed to be more of like a paste, and from the videos that I watched, it's supposed to be more like kind of like that. So I had to go back and add a little bit more water, and I added a little bit more milk. Here we are. I am ready to go ahead and test it out. Now, I don't think this is gonna work, but we're gonna see, because I'm not a believer, so I need to get made a believer. Am I petty because I bought a paintbrush to put this on? I don't care. I got a paintbrush from the Dollar Tree, so I mean it was $1. I don't know. It seems like it's just really thick. So I don't know how this is gonna go on. I almost can just take a spoonful. I'm gonna take a spoonful, and then I'm going to spread it. Spoonful, and try to show you all me spreading it, because I'm doing my legs. Make sure they were good and hairy, to see if this is gonna work. So okay. I'll be back. I'm gonna have to try to thin this out. I'm back, and I feel like I fixed it. I don't know, but it was way too crumbly. It was like crumbling all over the place. Now this is like a paste that I can spread. It wasn't spreading, and I think it's supposed to spread like peanut butter. What y'all think now? I don't know. It's still crumbling and bumbling. Oh. Okay. I almost just only want to do one leg, because I can't even get the other side of my leg done. Okay. Because this is so difficult, I am just gonna do this one leg. Okay. So I actually did my other leg also. So both legs are done. I think this leg looks better than the first leg, but I want to give you kind of like a close-up so you can see how it looks. Maybe I should have done it on a different body part, but cut the light down. Well, I should cut the light up a little bit so you can see. And that means it's ready to come off. It's hard. I left it on for way longer than what it was supposed to be, but really I think I made it too thick, so I had to let it dry. So now it is time for me to take it off, and you're supposed to use a paper towel. Probably gonna take this off in the bathroom because this is gonna make a mess everywhere, but it's supposed to be warm. This is like lukewarm, and you're supposed to rub. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to take this off in front of y'all because this gonna need some assistance for me to get this off of me. I shall be back once again. So it didn't do anything. I can't say that I'm disappointed because I didn't think it was gonna do anything. I really didn't have much faith in this hair removal mask anyways. I don't know, like my legs are hairy, like nothing. It removed absolutely nothing at all. So for me, it's a no. I have turmeric everywhere. Like I went through an entire roll of paper towels. I should have just got a towel because they said like, oh, use a paper towel or warm paper towel to get off. Like it was so much product to get rid of. And turmeric stains like my hands. This is why that was the whole purpose of using a brush, but then it's like coming to the point where I'm time to remove it. I'm hot now. I'm trying to remove it. It was a mess. I just literally turmeric stains all over my bathroom. I would not, and because of that alone, I can't, because I'm assuming that you're just supposed to keep doing it, and then eventually like it's supposed the hair will grow back slower or less or something like that, some myth, I don't know, because I don't have the patience for it. So this took a lot out of me to do this and even attempt it. So you mean to tell me that I have to do this at least once a week? Or no, no. That's why I get stuff. That's why I do lasering. That's why I laser everything, because I don't have time for that. Shave it once, go get it lasered, and then I can do that because that's every 8 weeks I can go, and then eventually I don't have any more hair. I mean, this I guess is this is a natural process, but it's more intense for me, things that I have to actually do, and for me not to see any results from it, I don't know. Maybe I might have a different tune. Look at this hairy leg. I wish you all could see the hairs on my leg. They're all still there. It's hair. It's just hair everywhere. So I still gotta go shave now. Like I gotta go shave my legs. I would never try it again, ever. For those, Victoria, that's a video I watched. Sis, you should have given me a disclaimer in the video to let me know that you will not see immediate results. Because from her video, she said it's like a natural nair. When we think of nair, when you put nair on any part that has hair, when you remove the nair off, the hair is also gone. I should have seen some type of hair on the napkin, like, but it was nothing. It was just turmeric. That's all it looked like, just orange coming off. So it is absolutely no for me. It makes no sense. I might as well have shaved my legs first and then put this on, right? And then what is it, work into your pores? Like, it's just I have to do some more research, but I'm just not gonna because I'm dissatisfied. But I tried it, and that's what this channel is all about, trying stuff. And maybe me being as transparent as I am, I give you all the real, so you don't go waste your money or waste your time on something that I pretty sure I did it right and I saw absolutely no results. Some things I'm okay with trying and not seeing immediate results, but when it comes to like hair removal, I just don't have it in me. So if you are someone that wants to try this, you want to go this natural route, I think you can make the attempt and then see what happens in a month if you do it every week. But it's just easier for me to shave my legs or go get them lasered. I pay that as opposed to doing this again. If you enjoy the videos that I post, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. Please share this video because I'm sure there are other people out here ready to try this turmeric hair removal mask and it's not going to be what you think. So please share it. Check me in the next video. It will be 7 days from today. So see you guys later. Bye. That's too slow.